Guys, this spray work like when you throw fertilizer at Kalalur Road and it starts spring up like there is no tomorrow. This is the real thing. Welcome back, my royal family. For those who are new to my channel, if you would like to be a part of this royal family, remember to give this video a big thumbs up by liking the video, subscribe, share and comment. Guys, my hair is moving from this to this in 2 years. I can't believe, just by using DIYs. Oh my god. So this is my onion rosemary spray. This is a powerful hairspray for healthy hair growth, and these are the ingredients that I use to make my spray. Guys, these products are so powerful for long, thick, healthy hair growth. So what I'm doing here is to prepare my products for my hairspray, and I'm going to use 2 packs of green tea. One of the benefits of green tea is to help get rid of and cure split ends. Here I have some peppermint. Peppermint increases the blood flow to the scalp. This positively impacts blood vessel, stimulating regrowth and follicle depth for thicker, stronger hair strands. This is 2 tablespoons. Here I have some bay leaf. They speed up hair growth, reduce dandruff, and help those who suffer from dry scalp. I am going to also add some basil. Basil is packed with nutrients like vitamins A and C, iron, and calcium that are essential for healthy hair growth. This is 2 tablespoons. Here I'm adding some clove. The antioxidant in clove may help prevent hair loss and premature graying, and improve hair strength and thickness by protecting against oxidative stress. I'm adding 4 tablespoons. So this is my rosemary. Rosemary has the benefits of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, and can increase blood flow to the scalp. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of rosemary. Guys, this is the powerhouse onion. Onion provides extra sulfur to support a strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Wow. So I'm going to use all of this onion. I'm also going to add a piece of ginger. Ginger helps improve the circulation of the scalp, while also stimulating each hair follicles. So what I did here is to put half pot of water on the stove and then turn it down to low heat. I am going to put my ingredients in, stir it a little, and then I'm going to allow it to boil for 30 to 45 minutes. So guys, please make your comment. Tell me what do you think. If you had tried this before, is it that you tried rosemary? Is it that you tried the onion by itself? What did you try? Please guys, comment and let me know what you think. Also guys, remember to like up the video. If you are loving the video so far, give it a big thumbs up. Or my new viewers, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Alright guys, in the meantime, do enjoy the rest of this vlog, and I'll talk to you in a bit. ensure that I mix well. And also this is the part where I check my pH level, and my pH level will be 4.03. And then I'm going to add the boiled products with the aloe vera gel mixture. Now I'm going to mix well, and after mixing, what I did is to cover it up overnight so everything can blend in. I thought I was videoing this part of the video, but obviously not. So I get my applicator bottle and I pour it in my applicator bottle. And then this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you had enjoyed. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Walk with the King and be a blessing. Love you, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until next time.